back to my channel. This is your girl, Life of Rika. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whenever you're watching the channel, holla back at your girl. Well, today, actually, this is my first vlog in 2022. I know, it's February.
It's Mama's birthday.
No, it's not my birthday. My birthday's in January. Yeah, I ain't even do a vlog for my birthday. Well, I'm in Michigan and we have a snowstorm today. It is cold out here. It is only 11 o'clock. I'm not sure how long it's been snowing, but I will give y'all an update. It was raining first, so you know it's like black ice, slick ice. Oh, it's cold. Alright, I will get back with you guys. I'm not sure what else we're going to do because it's a snowstorm, so I'm not going to be out and about. So I'm in the house. School was canceled, so I'm stuck in the house with the kids. I think it's raining too. Okay, y'all. It has been. It's 1:30 now. Let's see how the snow looking right now. Ooh. Say hi, dear. Say hi. Hi. I know you haven't seen them in a minute. Say hi. I gotta put more water in it, clean the tank again. Okay, yeah. It is almost 4 o'clock. Look at how much snow we got. The car is covered. Oh my gosh. They said we supposed to get 8 to 14 or 8 to 16 inches of snow. This is Michigan for ya. It's cold. Don't get me wrong, it looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful. Yeah. But I'm not sure what time it is. I just came out here to travel. We just traveled a little bit. There's a lot of it. Ah! You play too much. Oh,
Somebody has you.